Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if an electric toothbrush could really make a difference in your oral hygiene? Today we're taking a closer look at the Oral-B iO Series 5 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, a high-tech brushing system that promises to elevate your dental care routine. So let's dive right in. The Oral-B iO Series 5 isn't just another electric toothbrush. It's packed with features that promise to take your brushing experience to the next level. First up, it claims to offer healthier gums in just 1 week, removing up to 100% more plaque and even 2.5x better cleaning between your teeth compared to a manual brush. Impressive, right? Now let's talk about the main features. The iO Series 5 has a visible pressure sensor, which is a huge game changer. This sensor helps protect your gums by alerting you when you're brushing too hard or too softly, ensuring you're always brushing just right. It's one of those features that, once you get used to it, you'll wonder how you ever brushed without it. But that's not all. The iO also comes with a light ring timer to help you stay on track for the recommended 2-minute brushing time. And it even signals when it's time to replace your toothbrush head. These little details really show that Oral-B has thought about every part of your brushing experience. Real-world testing and experience. I've been using this toothbrush for the past few weeks, and I have to say, it's incredibly easy to incorporate into my daily routine. The first time I used it, I noticed how gentle yet thorough it felt on my gums. The pressure sensor was a bit of a revelation. I'm a bit heavy-handed when I brush, so the constant reminders to ease up were really helpful. And it didn't feel like I was compromising on clean either. The brushing itself was smooth, and the 5 cleaning settings gave me plenty of options depending on my needs for the day. I've also been using the Oral-B app, which tracks your brushing habits in real time. It's an interesting feature, especially if you're looking to improve your technique. The app breaks down exactly where you've brushed, which helps pinpoint any areas you might be missing. It feels a bit like having a personal dentist in your pocket. Pros: the pressure sensor is a standout feature for gum protection, giving you peace of mind while brushing. Multiple cleaning modes offer flexibility for different needs. Whether you need a gentle clean or a more intense scrub, it's got you covered. The 2-minute timer and the head change alert are simple but effective features that make it easy to keep on track. Oral-B app adds an extra layer of personalization and helps you stay accountable. Cons: while the iO Series 5 offers a lot of great features, it's definitely on the pricier side compared to other electric toothbrushes. If you're just looking for basic functionality, this might not be necessary. The travel case is practical, but it does take up a bit more space than some other electric toothbrush cases I've used. Value for money: at this price point, the Oral-B iO Series 5 is an investment. You're paying for the advanced features and the personalized brushing experience. But if you're serious about your oral health, it's well worth considering. That being said, there are more budget-friendly options out there that don't have all the bells and whistles, so it depends on how much you value those extra features, like the pressure sensor and the app integration. Build quality and longevity. In terms of build quality, the toothbrush feels premium, and the materials used are sturdy and well-made. The handle has a nice grip, and I appreciate that it's lightweight enough to maneuver comfortably. As for longevity, with the right care, the iO Series 5 should last for a good few years. The replacement heads are easy to find, and the battery life is solid, so you won't need to worry about recharging it constantly. Final verdict: the Oral-B iO Series 5 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush is a solid choice for those who want a toothbrush that does more than just clean your teeth. If you're looking for personalized brushing options, gum protection, and a smarter brushing experience, this product ticks all the boxes. However, its premium price tag may be more than what you need if you're just after a basic clean. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried the Oral-B iO Series 5, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on its performance. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.